bond after PR bond to the tune of probably 12 PR bonds. And every single time we've given you a PR bond, you never show. And the problem is that you never, ever, dozens and dozens of charges that you and I have had together have never once on your own appeared.
Judge,
Tell me.
I'm asking, give me an opportunity to present myself to me. I've been since the last time you released me. I never gotten a chance. I'm asking for to give me the opportunity.
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned. It's about to get intense. What we are seeing here is a judge dealing with repeated non-compliance, prior bond violations, and a breakdown of trust in the judicial process. The question isn't just guilt or innocence. It's whether repeated chances have already been exhausted. And honestly, would you keep giving chances after this many failures?
This probation judge.
Yeah.
And based off what I am looking, it appears that these Comal County cases happen so they wouldn't necessarily be a violation of his probation.
Alex, what say you about the time?
He was placed on probation.
May of 2024.
These Comal County cases, they took place in July of 2024 and
Mr. Ariola.
I was in Comal. I was taken from here to Comal County. I was out. I was able to.
I think I know what he's trying to say. He's saying he has never been out July.
But he has been. You were out.
If I may,
You were in aftercare, and it was probably at that time when you picked up.
these cases are the same cases or the same circumstances, just as the trespass.
And over, they try to pick you up, you don't like it, and it hits the fan. And then you end up picking 3 to 4 charges.
Nor my intention is to do crime in the world. That is not my way of living. That is not my way. At this moment right now, what I'm seeking, what I'm asking is to get the opportunity to be able to report and to do as you.
Since 2021, you and I have been dancing. You've picked up an attempted possession of a firearm, possession of a controlled substance, criminal trespass, and another criminal trespass. On all of those, and I told you on the last 2, before you picked it up and we let you go, I said, Mr. Ariola, we are done with catch and release. We will now do everything in our power to ensure that the trespasses and the failure to ID would do that by doing the dual diagnosis residential program. And I told you that we would continue to do it over and over and over until Orange in Harris County. That's it. I have given you PR bond after PR bond to the tune of probably 12 show up. No more catch and release. We now DDRP 5 times.
Listen, let's be honest. If I was to represent myself, it was to myself being my well-being, my person, the person that you are treating in such a way at this very moment. It would be a different story.
I'm just giving you fair warning.
I want to help you, Mr. Ariola. I want to end the cycle of you keep coming back to jail. Believe it or not, I want to, and I was hoping by having you go to the DDRP and in aftercare, that would happen. I don't know. I don't know. When you got to aftercare, I don't know what happened though.
At this moment, the charges, they haven't even been, and I haven't even been indicted yet. At this moment, I'm asking that I'm given the opportunity to complete this. There's a whole different county, a whole different jurisdiction.
Let me give you a little roadmap, what I was thinking. To let them know what we want to do here about DDRP in hopes that they, are on board with us.
Those
I know.
jurisdictions, the whole different county.
I'm trying to let them know that we want to put you in a treatment place with us here in hopes that they're with us. And it may resolve the
I mean, why would they care what happens here? They don't care. They're just on for how dare. What I
explain to you
I know,
what we're trying to do.
I'm listening. I did hear it, but this.
So Ariel, if I give you a PR bond,
Report to the probation that you put me on. Give me the chance.
yes, I want to do that.
Please.
Yes, I am in agreement with you, but Phil, Comal County's taken care of.
Comal County sent me over here.
I know. We're going to reach out to Comal County to see what we can do.
Here at this time. This is what I'm doing here now. They got no business into what Harris County does with me at this moment. With me, yeah.
I'm going to let Lori try to explain to you what we're trying to do.
What you're trying to do, I know that. How the judge here? You know what's going on. I'm on PR bond over there. They're not even looking at my cases at this very moment. Give me the opportunity, because I haven't given the opportunity to report them to probation.
When you say give me the opportunity, what does that mean? Let you out of jail?
Yeah, so I can report to.
This is the turning point right here. The judge isn't just reacting emotionally. He's building a legal pattern on record. Every listed charge, every missed appearance, every prior PR bond becomes part of a credibility map. In bond hearings, credibility is everything. Once it collapses, the legal system shifts from trust-based release to risk containment. And the defendant insisting, "I'm not a criminal," creates a direct conflict with documented court history. So the real question is, when behavior and claims don't match, who does the court believe?
About going to if they do pick it up, if they do pick it up, they would alert me to go to court. But till then, let me just proceed so I can get an opportunity, a chance to get out and work and be able to fight this from the free world. If anything, if they're relevant to the probation here and current with Harris County.
I know that you're not going to like my answer, Mr. Ariel, but
Give me a PR bond. Can you just not reinstate me to complete the probation? I haven't even.
anything, we need to figure out what's going on with Comal County on our side as well, so that hopefully we can resolve it all. And
I don't know if this is even what it has done to.
let's do this. Look, I have a bunch of people that are waiting. I'll take more time with you toward the end of the day. I don't want to keep them waiting because they have busy lives as well. Okay. But we've already spent 20 minutes here now, and I've got a lot of people waiting. Let me thin them out. I'll bring you back out in maybe like 45 minutes and we'll talk more. Okay. I'll PR bond, but let me tell you something. Every time we let you out of custody, you have little wings on your back and you take off. You did the program. You did post a report. Your date of discharge was April 23rd of 2024 of the program that you were in. You were supposed to report, I'm sorry, the date of discharge was April 23rd. The next day, you were supposed to report to the place for aftercare. Did you report? And you took off yet again. Every time we let you out of jail, you do whatever you want to do and you don't comply with court orders. So I can't, we normally do. We're going to see what Comal County wants to do. And then after that, we're going to go right back into setup. Tell me.
Of not having the opportunity to report myself on the last
Judge, I'm sorry.
Counsel's here.
Oh, she is here.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's on.
Okay.
No. We're not going to do this without counsel. No, Michael, come on. No. She's here.
Yes, Judge.
the position that I was put in, not given the opportunity to present myself, report myself to the probation office.
We let you out.
That was another
Case.
another. I was in current in agreement with you with the probation that came with the counselors.
If I let you out, you will not show up to anything that you're supposed to show up. And I have it as evidence in every single case that you and a magistrate has let you out. You take flight and you take off and you never come back.
Because I'd like to resolve this matter.
I'm catch and release. It's not going to happen. We will continue.
I'm asking for my time for these cases that I stand before this court today.
Okay. Regardless, we can't do any case. Reach out to Comal County to see where we go from there.
Judge, he also said earlier that he would like a hearing on these new charges, and we're not sure whether or not the state can prove them.
But if there was a hearing, we would put up the technical, we wouldn't put up the new law.
They're not putting up the new law even more, you know? So I don't think that would be part of the motion to adjudicate hearing.
Those Comal County's charged are allegations. I'm still innocent
Correct.
and haven't been indicted yet. Who's on what?
There is a hold at a Comal County, right? Vic?
Oh, man, I came from Comal County. I bonded out on.
You're still in custody now. I'm not giving you a PR bond. So we also need to find out what's going on with Comal County. So bottom line, Mr. How it plays out. And then
I'm asking that the court stays within this district. Comal County is relevant at this point.
none of that is being held against you, Mr. Ariel.
And Judge, for the court's information, the updated hold information is that they released the hold on 5/16 of 2024.
Okay.
So currently there's no.
Let them know of our intent here. And then, when do you want to set it again? Today's Wednesday. Try Monday, maybe?
You haven't said the fourth, yeah.
A long time to do it. I need them to reach out to Comal County to see what Comal wants to do with your 3 cases. We'll come back on Monday and we'll see where we go from there.
At the end of the day, this case is not just about charges. It's about credibility, consistency, and judicial trust. The judge's refusal to grant another PR bond is rooted in documented history of non-appearance and repeated violations. Even with rehabilitation programs on the table, the court cannot ignore a clear pattern of failure to comply with prior orders. This is a textbook example of how prior conduct shapes future legal outcomes, especially in bond decisions where risk assessment is key. If you found this case as shocking and intense as it unfolded, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns that keep you right at the center of the action.